This is the day one activity for Pro Engineer, and you can also use it when you do the day two activity. First thing you need to do is double click on the Pro Engineer icon on the desktop. It will take a while to open, so do not keep double clicking on it because you will open more than one program, and Pro Engineer is a type of program where you can only have one window open at a time. While you're waiting for it to open, you can read through the directions so you understand what you're doing before you start it. First thing I like to do is make the screen as big as it. So I'm going to maximize my screen. The directions tell me to go File, New, and click OK. And then it tells me to find MN Part Solid and click OK. It tells me to find the Extrude button. The Extrude button is on the right-hand side of the screen, and it says Extrude. I'm going to go to the left side of the screen and click on the word Placement and go diagonally to the right and click Define. It tells me to find the word Front. The word Front is in the drawing window. So there's three choices: top, front, right. Click on the word Front and then go over to the box in the upper right-hand corner and click Sketch. Now I need to go to the Sketcher tools, and I have tons of options. It tells me to choose Line. So I'm going to click Line. It says to draw. I can draw any shape I want. The only thing that I have to pay attention to is that the lines do not cross, and it's a closed shape. So it starts in one spot and it ends in the same spot. So all I'm going to do is click. I'm doing single clicks. Right like that. And so there's my closing thing. And I'm going to click on the pointer tool. The directions do not say this. Don't worry about all the dimensions on it. It tells me to click on the blue check mark when I'm done. Now, it tells me to click on the eyeglasses, so I'm going to go to the upper right side and click on the eyeglasses. And now this is where I'm going to use my mouse button, and I'm going to spin it so I can see that it's got shape. If I think it looks cool, I can leave it the way it is. If I want to make it fatter or thinner, I can change that. So I would go here, and I can change this number. See how I made it thinner? Or I can double click on it again and change it to 300 and make it fatter. If I like the way it looks, I can click on the green check mark, and there's my shape. Now remember, you go back to AB default to always bring it back to the original way you drew it. And now I can rotate it around. At this point, I am able to save my drawing, which is a day 2 activity. You should draw multiple shapes using multiple designs to get a hang of how to use the program.